Great Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm headed over to Old Time Pottery. Want to see what kind of spring decor they have. I'm looking for something for the mantle, and I haven't been in here for a while, so let's go ahead inside and see what they have. Well, I want to show you guys what I got over at Old Time Pottery. So let's go ahead and look inside the bag. Now I picked up these little signs here that say Happy Easter. Now these were priced at $2.99. Now I was thinking about putting this on my coffee bar, maybe on my two-tier tray when I get ready to decorate for Easter. I also picked up another one that says Happy Easter. This one's a little different. I thought those were really cute. Then I also picked up this little metal bucket. It says Happy Easter, and this was priced at $4.99. And then over here, I picked up these little picks. I thought these were super cute with the little bunny and the little Easter egg and the greenery. Now these are priced at $2.49, so I thought that was a really good deal. So I'm thinking about putting them inside this little bucket here. Picked one up in pink. I have this one over here in yellow. And then I picked up another one in pink. And then I found these little carrots that I thought were super cute for $3.49. I'm also going to put those in there. And then I couldn't pass up the cute little white bunnies for $1.29. Also going to put some of those in there. So I might do that sometime later as it gets closer to Easter and I start to decorate. Now I picked up this raffia. I'm thinking about doing a project with a couple books. I'm going to paint the books and then I will use this and tie them together. And then I'm going to put a couple words on my books and probably use those on my mantle. And then my next project that I want to do is I picked up some of these flowers. These are priced at $3.99. I want to take my candlesticks off my mantle and I want to put some birds on there, and I'm going to wrap these around the bird on the top. So I picked up this cream color. I also picked up yellow. So I'm going to mix the two colors together. And then in here I have another cream color. And then in this bag here, I believe these are going to be my birds. So later on, you're going to see me decorate the mantle for spring. I couldn't find something for the one side that I wanted. I believe I'm going to do probably candlesticks in the books with some bunnies, and then I have something else I'm going to put up there. These birds here, these were $5.99 for this one. And this one's a little different. He sits like that, and he was also $5.99. So I have a couple more bags. Let's go ahead and see what else I have that I got shopping. Well, let me show you what I picked up at Marshall's. I went ahead and picked up this jar. Now this is Ray Dunn, and it says sweet. And then I have the lid for it. Now that I see this, it's kind of small. I was hoping that it was going to be bigger because my idea was to put some Easter eggs inside of here and possibly use this on my mantle, but I wasn't going to use the sweet. I was going to turn it around this side. If I was to use it on my coffee bar, then I would use this side here with the words. So I did pick up from the dollar store the moss. And I like this color green. They had some in brown and some other colors, but I like the green for Easter. So I was going to use that inside there. And then over at Michael's, I went ahead and picked up these nice Easter eggs in these nice colors here. Now, I picked these up for like $2. I know these were priced at, I don't know, like $8, and I was like, okay. But they weren't on sale, but then I had a 40% off coupon, and then when I was looking on my phone, it said 40 plus another 20%. So she's like, well, I'll just give you 60%. So that was really a great deal. I got those for $2. And then my last thing that I got over at TJ Maxx is my bunny. Now I am going to use him on my mantle, and I think he's going to be either next to my books on the mantle or on top of my books. I'm not sure yet, but he was priced at $12.99. And then the last thing I got over at Joann's was the little stamps. with the letters for my books that I'm going to be doing. I think I might do Spring Has Sprung. I'm not really sure yet. But let's go ahead and put some stuff together and see how my mantle is going to come out. So my idea for my candlesticks is I'm going to use my birds, and then this one's going to go on there like that. And then I do have these yellow flowers. Now what I'm going to do is I believe I'm going to wrap this around, and then I'm going to hot glue it here so it stays in place. So I'm going to hot glue that, then I'll put my bird back on top. And then I'm also thinking about taking this and wrapping it down the candlestick. So I thought that would look real nice. So let me go ahead and get my hot glue gun out, and I'm going to go ahead and glue my flowers. My next project is going to be painting the books. Now what I'm using is Americana Decor. This came from Home Depot, and the color is called Lace, and it's like an off-white. So what I'm going to be doing is painting the top and the sides of the book. And then when that dries, I'll be adding words to each one of my books. And then we're going to use the little bunny on top, and then we'll see how he looks on top of my mantle. Well, I want to share with you guys how the mantle turned out. So I'm all finished. Now my candlesticks, I did change that up a little bit. I decided against the yellow and white flowers, probably because my room in here is navy, and I think I like the white flowers better. So the vase that I had that I took off the mantle that had these little flowers in here, I ended up using them. So all I did is put a little moss on the top and put my bird on top, and then hung the little flowers. And I played around with this for a little while. I wasn't sure how I was going to lay this out. I had my two candlesticks together side by side, and then of course this side was missing something. I tried to move the bunny over to the corner, but it seems like you need the same height on both ends. So I went ahead and moved the candlestick over there, and then here's the finished product of the books that were chalk painted with the little words. It says Spring Has Sprung, and then I used the little green bunny on top. And then there's my jar with the Easter eggs that I put in there. And then the flowers that I was going to use for the candlesticks, I went ahead and laid them across the top of the mantle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this inspires you to get creative in your home for spring. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, happy decorating!